Hi, I'm Rick Orlando. Welcome to New World Bistro Bar. I'm working with Black Horse Farms, awesome summer tomatoes. My guys Max and Tim and Mike in the background making noise and cooking. I hope you enjoy them. I made sure Max combed his hair really neat for us. So this is called puttanesca fresco. Now we all kind of know pasta puttanesca. It's tomatoes, canned tomatoes with anchovies and capers and olives. Brings that briny, long cooked flavor to a quick sauce. I made it even quicker. This is puttanesca fresco, which means raw or uncooked. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take some of these big, beautiful, super summer ripe tomatoes, which we have, and we're just gonna dice them kind of coarsely. And it's all gonna end up going into one big bowl. The acids from the tomatoes are actually gonna help cook the following ingredients. I've got some finely minced garlic here. Now, I'm not a fan of raw garlic, but again, because this sauce or salsa has a chance to sit, and there's gonna be plenty of salt, it's gonna bring the garlic to almost a cook stage. Now I have finely minced anchovies. If you don't want the anchovies, you could skip them, but you'll be on my list because the anchovies is not something you're gonna taste distinctly. It adds umami, it adds that extra flavor, a little bit of savoriness, almost like using a little bit of soy sauce or fish sauce, and they're minced really finely. I have capers, and I have capers in a little bit of their juice because this juice is gonna help to cook this, okay? It's almost like a tomato confit. So I'm putting the capers and their juice, and don't be shy. You want plenty in there because that's a big part of the flavor. Beautiful extra virgin olive oil. We at the restaurant here have fallen in love with California extra virgin olive oil. It's American made. It's really fruity and delicious. I've got Kalamata olives here. These are big fat Kalamata olives that have been pitted. You can also use oil cured olives, galleta olives. Just don't use those little olives that you put on your sour cream in the Mexican dishes because you want a nice, really super delicious olive. So we're putting the whole olives in there. We're giving it a toss. Now, this should sit out on your counter for at least 45 minutes. It could sit up for an hour or two, put a little plastic wrap on it if you're worried about things falling in it, but you kind of want to let it marinate and everything come together. And then to finish this dish, which is so easy, we're gonna cook some pasta. You can use regular pasta, you can use gluten-free pasta, you can use zucchini noodles, or as an alternative with this, which we do often, you can use this on a piece of roasted fish. It's really awesome to take something kind of oily like a bluefish or a big piece of cod, put it in a roasting pan, spoon a bunch of this over it, and just bake it in the oven. And you get all these nice briny flavors. There's a lot of uses for this. You can also just spread it on bread. It's pretty good there. But let's do some pasta for this. I've got my water boiling. I've got some cooked penne here. And I have my nice big bowl of puttanesca sauce here now, right? So I'm gonna grab my pasta and I'm gonna take it out. I want a tiny bit of the pasta water in there. It's gonna help make sauce. However, because of the brininess, the saltiness of the capers and the olives, it's gonna bring that water out of the tomato, so it's actually gonna make a natural sauce. And the last thing we're gonna add is a copious amount of chopped parsley, because parsley does two things. People think, oh, we put parsley in there for the green. It's not for the green, it's for the delicious flavor and for the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is in a lot of breath mints, it's in a lot of nutrients to settle your stomach. When you're eating a lot of garlic, you eat a lot of parsley. The peasants are always right, they figured it out. Garlic and parsley go together because it's good in your belly. So I'm gonna rough chop this beautiful flat leaf parsley. And of course you can use curly if you want. I'm going to take my spoon. Now you notice I didn't heat the sauce. We're using the heat from the pasta to kind of cook this raw tomato dish. And take a nice pasta bowl. I will make you a service for one. There is a beautiful dish of penne puttanesca fresco. It's ready to go, that easy to make.